Hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Hey, before we get started with the show today, I just want to let you guys know that I just got some merch available for you. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's t-shirts, long sleeve, two types of hoodies, women's shirts. They're really cool. Check them out. Any of the proceeds that I make from the shirts are going to go right back into the projects and whatnot that I'm working on. And I've even cut the prices even lower than what they suggest that I put the prices out there. So you're really going to get a good deal. You're going to get a cool shirt. They're quality. Hey, if you really want to support the program, help me out. Get yourself a Helicool's Helipad shirt today. They come in lots of colors. Check them out. You're going to be amazed. I'm going to throw in a bunch of stuff that I've been up to today, but the main purpose of this video is to show you how to refurbish the top of the canvas to make it weatherproof or at least weather-tight again. I know for my canvas, somebody took it really close underneath some trees. It kind of skinned some of the canvas off. And you know what? That's just a pain to have to deal with because it leaks. And if you're trying to camp back there, it's just no good. So this is a way, not the way, but a way how to refurbish the top of the canvas. You guys stay tuned. Alrighty now, what you need is an elastomeric roof coating. Now this is the same kind of stuff that you would put on the top of an RV. And the reason why I'm recommending that is because this is going to be able to flap. It isn't going to get rigid. It's going to remain elastomeric. This is the same kind of stuff that I put on my teepee. Yes, on the teepee cloth, it basically was a Harbor Freight drop cloth. If you know how flimsy those are, you'll know that that is just not going to work very good for a teepee. It won't last very long. However, if you put this on it, it becomes like super strong, okay? And that is really what you want for the top of your canvas. Now I'm gonna recommend pulling the cover off and doing it while it's laying flat on the ground. That just helps with the safety aspect, but either brush or roller, depending on what you want to use, that is pretty much it. Basically, following the instructions that come onto the can, that is what you want to follow. And typically you're going to wipe everything one way, and then the next coat you're going to wipe it the opposite direction so that there aren't any streaks and you get full coverage. As you can see from down below, you can't even tell that there is a white roof to this at all. There is one spot that I did see, and I had to cover a little bit extra because that's where it got skinned. You can see that right up at the top there, but that is easily taken care of with a little bit of green camo paint, or black, or whatever the color might be that you did a little oops on. Well, now that it's had ample time to dry, and my wife did pick up some more paint, it's time to put on the second coat. Now instead of going this way, I'll be painting this way. Yeah, you know, I just repainted this
And it looks like there's some places that need to be repainted already. You know, I just had a pretty good idea. It's a marketing idea. Marketing idea? Okay, I see where this is going. But you know what? It might look cool. You know, when I push the cab forward. Yeah, I think it might look cool. And nobody's really going to see it from down on the street. Well, it is a start. I think I'm gonna put a Helipad or maybe a Snoopy right in the center of that 50 cal hatch and a big old Helicool's Helipad up there. So here's the added benefit of having a white roof. It reflects 91% of the solar radiance onto that surface, and that keeps that cab cooler. It keeps the back of the vehicle cooler. And it has a 10-year warranty. 10 years, okay? So I'm not gonna have to mess with this for quite a long time, and even after 10 years, it retains over 70% of that reflectivity of the solar radiation. All right, got some new labels printed for the back of Malachi. This looks pretty good. I really like this in the stencil look. That really looks like military, so that's good. Great. Well, I've taken care of all this. I got some 91% alcohol, cleaned this up really well. I used a scraper to scrape all of this smooth, all of the letters off. And ideally you want to do this when it's not really, really windy, or you have it in a shop, which I have neither. So, rule for painting camo, darkest colors first. First is black, then is brown, then is green. Got it? Well, good morning, guys. I thought I'd get an early start. The sun just came up, just over the hill there.
I thought I'd get an early start before it really started to get windy again. Hopefully it's not going to get windy today. But I'm not going to be able to get a start because it's only 30 degrees out. So I'm going to have to wait until it warms up just a bit. Now this does give me an opportunity to talk about how to do the camo stuff. Now, as I said before, darkest colors first. So black, then brown, and then green. And why? Because, well, if you do the black last, you'll get the splatter onto the green and it will really, really show up and it looks kind of terrible. But the opposite is true when you do the green over the black. It kind of leaves a nice fuzzy shaded line, which is really nice. Now here's the other thing here. Now obviously this is flat black. You can get that anywhere. It's readily available. This green is the forest green that you'll find in the camo paints section. This brown, very hard to come by, I understand. You can't get it at Walmart, not at ours anyway, and you can't get it at Home Depot, maybe at Lowe's, I don't know, we don't have one around here. But you can order this on Amazon or, you know, whatever kind of favorite paint store that you have. So that is what I've ordered because I can't find it here, and that is what's also going to hold me up from finishing this project because what I want to do is once all this is freshly painted, I want to paint a strip of clear gloss. Now, why clear gloss? Well, because clear gloss will aid the vinyl sticker to actually stick onto it because it really doesn't like to stick very well on flat paint, but it will stick very well on gloss paint. And that's the whole idea. A little strip, it's gonna make this camo here really pop. So anyway, that'll be in a future video where I redo the stencils on here. As you saw, I've already printed them up. I can't wait to get them on here. They're gonna look awesome. Hey guys, I would also like to know your opinion. I have a unofficial logo for the channel. It's the Snoopy with the, instead of the Joe Cool, it says Helicool on it. I did contact the Charles Schultz Foundation and ask them if I could use that as my channel logo. But I've also come up with another logo, which is a heliport, or the symbol of a helipad with the H, the circle, and the dash lines around it. I'll show you a little picture right up here. Tell me what you guys think of it. I know guys, I am just full of announcements today. Hey, I also want to announce or let you know that the Gospel Mission has a PayPal account. If you want to donate to the Gospel Mission, and we're really in need right now because of the COVID virus, we've had to cancel our yearly fundraiser, which we basically really depend on throughout the whole year on that one fundraiser. It is our huge event for the year, and unfortunately we've just had to cancel it. We're really in some desperate straits and could really use your help, especially if the Lord has blessed you this year. We would so much ask if you would give some of that blessing back to the homeless and those less fortunate. If you would like to donate to the Gospel Mission, please use the PayPal account, or you can send us a check. I'll put the address in the description of this video. If you want to donate it just to the LMTV, what we're doing here with the LMTV outreach program, make sure to put a comment or in the note line that it goes to the LMTV outreach program, or it'll just go to the general fund. The general fund is really where we need the help. You know, I could always use a little bit of help with maintaining Malachi, but if you guys want to donate to that, I would so much appreciate it. Thank you very much for your support. And that's a wrap. I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.